Want to use any website like an app? Install it on your laptop or mobile, and open it with just one click. Let's begin the tutorial. In your Edge browser, go to the website you want to install as an app. In the top right corner, click the three dots menu. Expand More Tools, App. Choose Install this site as an app. Optionally rename, then click Install. After install, choose to create a desktop shortcut. Edge will create a standalone app shortcut that opens directly from your desktop. From the app's top right, click the three dots. Click Site Permissions to open app settings in the browser. At page bottom, click Uninstall. Select Also Clear Data from MS Edge.